US, UK and Germany indices traded with swings again, and it appears swing is the new trend where we have seen high volatility in the indices for last few days. And yes, the Germany40 is the one which is consistently delivered higher highs. So what to expect now today from these five major indices: S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40 and FTSE 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Big day today. We have the NFP data and then the Chairman Powell's speech. These two definitely gonna add lot much to the volatility. Which direction it's gonna take, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the NFP data release. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, then Dow, and in the end, Germany40 and FTSE 100 Boston. If you see S&P on the early chart, see after every drop, it tries to consolidate and consistently delivering lower highs, lower lows, trading in this bearish channel. The median of this channel is now somewhere here at around 5850 levels, and the top at around 5900 levels. So this is the zone between 5700 to 5900 in which S&P is trying to consolidate. Look at the early charts. After hitting the lows, it has moved now upwards. Prices are trading with divergence from 20 period offering it a very good resistance. Thus, if you now see, it is staying above 5770, 5765 levels. Expected to move towards 5790 levels as the first target zone, and then if it trades above 5790, we can look forward to 5815, 5820 levels. Now notice this is the consolidation zone which it needs to break. That means this zone between 5840, 5850 is going to remain critical for S&P to break past by. If it trades above this, you can certainly say 5900 should be the next milestone. Right now, it is not showing any such strength, though the stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD after the crossover, it is trading with moderate bullishness on the early charts. RSI is flat. The mixed indications here. Look at the 2-hour charts. Yes, trading in this bearish channel, delivering lower lows here, and it is trying to move towards the top again. Let's watch out here. See, 20 period moving average right now on the 2-hour charts is sitting at around 57, 80, 90 zone, which should be the next resistance zone. Also notice after the retracement, it is consolidating, and it is possible that it may deliver the drop again, but I will only recommend a sell at 5740. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is still bearish, trying to converge. RSI running flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour chart, see, this should be the reversal sign, couple of greener candles, and now right now it is at higher lows. It is possible that it can try to bounce back from here. So thus, if you see, it is staying above 57 60 65 zone. Initiate a buying entry, expected to move all the way towards 57 80, 57 92, and then 5800, 5820 is possible. But notice these three candles, very great resistance is offered here at around 58 40 50. So this is the zone it needs to break in order to reverse completely. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation, not yet confirming a reversal. First bullish candle, the second one might be here very soon. Wait for this to break beyond 57 60 65, which should be a good indication for us to initiate a buy. The retracement could be all the way towards 5800, 5820. Be mindful of this. And if you look at the stochastic, this is the bottom. The MACD is also bearish. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart, they started on a red note. See, series of bearish candles here after the crossover in the moving averages. Definitely, this is delivering a strong bearish moves here. And notice, I have shared several times earlier that now we are looking in my weekly review. Also, I have mentioned that we are looking forward to a bearish week. We are looking forward to a drop. This is the zone now which is going to offer maximum support 5680, 5700, and now once this is taken, the move is going to be very sharp all the way, first towards 5600 and then towards 5400. 5400 is the next milestone which S&P should look forward to. What is happening on the daily chart? See, preceding few candles leaving bigger tails here. Today again it is starting on a bearish note. It is possible that it can try to deliver higher lows, move towards 5700 and then bounce back. That is also possible. But right now what I am looking at, I am looking forward to the beginning of the day with a little retracement. It might try to move towards 5780, 5790, or in fact 5800 levels, and from those levels the reversal might appear or occur. It's stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trading sharply bearish looking downwards, the RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, I will only recommend you to buy now at 57 56 itself. Expect 57 62 64 first, 57 75 second, and then 57 82 84 third. If these three levels are taken, possibility will be very high that we are looking forward to 5800, 58 15, 58 20 levels at the next target, and then 58 40. Though a complete reversal appears difficult, but yes, we have to wait for it to take a direction. It is possible that it may show you little swings before taking a direction. On the downside, the selling entry now is pretty clear at around 57.40 levels, expected to move all the way towards 57.32, 57.20, and then 5700. If 5700 is taken, stay short. Stay short. It's a bigger drop ahead where we can in fact see it moving all the way towards 5650, 5600, and then in the near term further sharper drop may appear. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100 getting a little resistance at 2200 now. So 20,200, which was earlier the support, has now become a resistance. Also notice after consolidating here in a zone, after consolidating here at around 20,600, we have seen this sharp dip appears to be the direction as of now. However, notice it is right now trading slightly oversold. Thus a breakout above 20,200 should be a good confirmation of further bullishness and a rise in tech 100. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over for the buy. See, after a bit of dip, it has crossed over now and it is trying to trade with modest bullishness. The RSI is running flat. Coming to 2 hours, the observation is simple and similar what we had seen on the early charts. After this dip retracement offering a greater resistance at 20,200, which it should break in order to confirm a reversal. What is happening here? Diminishing bullishness. Price is again trying to trade bearish. A drop below 20,100 and 20,080. 20,100, 20,080 should be a good support here. If this is taken, then again we are looking at 20,000 and 19,920 and 19,800 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat, not much of indication here. On the 3-hour charts also not much of indication, though looking at the move it appears that it should try to bounce back, but right now trading with good bearish momentum as of now. The stochastic trying to bounce back, MACD bearish, RSI is flat at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. The moving averages here are trading with divergence and bearishness. 20 period moving average definitely offering a greater resistance, and right now the 20 period moving average sitting at 20,400. So 20,400 should be achievable if it stays above 20,200, 240 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what's happening? See, drop retracement, and also notice the formation bigger drop retracement, drop retracement, drop. Yes, if it starts to retest, there is a possibility of 20,400, but I can say that till 20,400 at least you have to be watchful, and once it breaks beyond 20,400, chances will be high that in fact it can try to move all the way towards 20,600, though difficult, but yes, possible. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. So looking at this, what I'll recommend you to buy 20,200 levels, expect 20,240, and if beyond 20,240, 20,350 and 400 should be the next targets. Any move beyond 20,400 is a clear sign of bullishness ahead all the way towards 20,500 and 600 levels. Though difficult but not impossible. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 20,100. Expect 20,000, or rather I'll say 20,100, 080 zone. You can take a sell. Expect it to move all the way towards 20,000, 19,950, 19,920, 19,800 levels. Yes, possible. 19,800 is also not a distant level as of now. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US30 on the early chart. See, resistance is at 43,000 levels. Lower highs are seen. Also, the support at 42,400 is pretty strong. It has to now trade below 42,400, 42,350 levels in order to confirm the drop all the way now towards 42,000. See, this is a consolidation zone, and yes, this is the third time it has got its support, and the levels are getting pretty strong as of now. Very, very important for US30 to trade below 42,400, 350 in order to confirm further dip. Notice what has happened after this dip. It is retraced, and now the bullishness getting diminished. Price is again trying to reverse. However, it is not yet to be confirmed complete bearish or completely reverse. If you see it is staying above 42,700, initiate a buying entry for 42,800 level, and beyond 42,800, chances will be high that 43,000 has to be there very, very soon. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour charts here, the support here is pretty strong. The resistance here is also equally strong, and this box between 42,400 to 43,000, these 600 points are getting critical for US30. Yes, it has to come out of this zone. Also notice this is a consolidation zone. See, first it is consolidated here, then the dip has appeared, retracement, then the dip, then again consolidated, and then this drop has appeared. Now right now it is positioning itself between this zone, and thus it is pretty important for it to come out of this in order to take a direction. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, and RSI is trying to stay flat. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. After the drop, it is trying to retest. It is possible that it can move towards 20 period, and thus once it stays beyond 42,700, we can see 42,800. This zone between 42,700 to 800 is getting critical here. now after retracing, though prices are trying to reverse again, but I will not confirm it yet completely bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. On the 4-hour, the observation is more or less same. It is done with the drop possibility of a rise. Just from here, it can possibly move all the way towards 42,700, 800 zone. The indicators have certainly cooled down very significantly, and now it appears it has to start showing some stronger move. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, when you look at, see, good enough consolidation has happened at around 42,400, 300 zone. Also notice what has happened, couple of bearish candles, slight retracement, lower highs, and then this red candle has appeared. Now today again, if you see at any point of time USD trading below 42,400, 350, stay short for 42,200 and 42,000, and in fact 41,800. I have mentioned several times earlier. I have shared this graph several times in my previous updates. See, this is how it has been trading, and sooner or later it has to come all the way towards 41,800, 42,000 levels. So because this is trading in this box, and once it comes out of this box is where the bears will take over completely. So right now it is on the way. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD sharply bearish, the RSI has dropped. So considering this, in fact, if you see, it is staying now above 42,665 levels, expect 42,710, 42,800, 780, 800. Once 42,800 is taken, you can say now the bulls are back. You can look forward to a move all the way towards 42,930 and 43,000 levels. Any move beyond 43,000 is a clear sign of reversal, but as long as it stays below 43,000, we have to be careful with the buys here. On the downside, now a selling entry is pretty clear at 42,540, expect 42,480, 42,400, 42,350. 42,400, 350 is something you should watch out for. Any drop below 42,400, 350 is a clear sign of a further drop towards 42,200, 41,800 levels very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with low percent, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. When you look at Germany40, what is happening here in Germany40? See, yesterday it has seen higher highs. It has moved close to 23,480, 500 zone. These are the highs, and what has happened since then? A massive reversal has appeared. Now look at the formation here. It is just consolidating. Any move beyond 23,300 should be a good sign for further bullishness, and any move below 23,150 and 100 is a clear. When you look at the stochastic here, this is slightly bearish, while the MACD and RSI also showing little signs of bearishness. When you look at the 2-hour charts, a bit of consolidation, but the support from the 20 period is pretty strong, and thus it is very important for the DAX to now trade below 23,150 levels and then towards 23,000 levels. If these two levels are taken, you can certainly say that the bears are back in action here. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD also has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. The RSI has also dropped here. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, very important point to note, the flat top here, the resistance it is getting at around 23,200 levels. Very important for the DAX to trade about 23,200. Any move beyond 23,200 is the only confirmation of further bearishness. Let's see which bullishness, let's see which direction it takes. As of now, I can see a bit of consolidation happening, and also I can notice that every rise offsets with a bigger retracement. So this is a bigger rise. It could try to retrace with a bigger retracement. Where is the retracement is going to take it all the way towards 22,600 levels. Be mindful of this. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is crossing over for sell. Slight bearish sign it is. RSI is also trying to trade bearish. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, I can see a consolidation. Let it come out of this consolidation zone in order to take a direction. Right now, I can say too early to conclude with the direction here. Yes, 23,300 on the upside. It needs to break in order to confirm further rise. Stochastic has dropped. MACD after trading bullish now trying to converge crossover. Whenever it hits such high, it tries to cross over for a sell. RSI has dropped as well. On the daily charts, now notice on the daily charts, good enough consolidation has happened. It has found its support, one bullish candle outside Bollinger Bands, and thus closing within Bollinger Bands. Today it is starting off on a bullish note. It is delivering higher lows. It can possibly move towards lower highs. Lower highs means a move all the way towards 23,400, 500, but again, too early to jump towards the conclusion. Let it break beyond 23,300, which will confirm further bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI is also at top. So looking at this, what I'll recommend a buy 23,250, expect 23 to 8300 levels, first target zone, and if 23 to 8300 is taken, 23,360, 420, 500 should be there very soon. Though appears difficult, it is trading slightly overbought. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 23,150 levels, expect 23,100, 080, and then 23,000, 23,020. If these two levels are taken, stay short for 21,800, 21,600 levels very, very soon. 22,800, 22,600 levels very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to UK. The UK 100 has taken a massive dip. Now it has already seen 85. You can see 86.20 levels, 86.30 levels. Good resistance, good support available here. Consolidation is going on. A move beyond 8,700 is the only confirmation of further bullishness. Now notice what is happening. It is consolidated here. It has seen the rise towards the record levels and it has come down to the same support zone. Very, very important for the FTSE 100 to trade below 8,600 in order to confirm a breakdown here. The indicators have cooled down significantly. Look at the MACD, it is still rising after the crossover. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour charts, when you look at the 2 hour charts, the crossover in the moving average is definitely on the sell side. If you look at the formation consolidation going on, let it stay above 8680 levels. You can buy here and expect it to move all the way towards 8700, 8720. The first resistance zone 8750, the next. The stochastic rising MACD has seen sharp bearishness. It is not yet converged or crossover. The RSI is flat here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, a reversal sign is seen. Consolidation is seen. Wait for a breakout here, which will confirm further reversal and rise. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bearish, looking downwards. And also you can see higher lows and higher highs. So I will say it is very, very important for the FTSE 100 to trade below 8600 in order to confirm a breakdown. Moving averages crossing over here definitely is a strong bearish sign here. And see, the prices have retraced sharp, which increases the possibility of a bounce back from the current levels. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation. See, it is taken a good hit at now trying to find a direction. Any move beyond 87, 8720 and then 8750 is the only confirmation of reversal. Indicators have cooled down significantly. Coming to on the daily charts, after hitting higher highs, after hitting record levels, prices have turned bearish. It has now come down to the support zone and it is now very, very important for the FTSE 100 to trade below 8600, 8500 zone, which will confirm the direction. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a strong bullish sign, but the prices are now trading below 20 period here. Definitely now it has to trade below the 50 period in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic looking down, MACD looking down, RSI has dropped. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, I will recommend buying entries at around 8665. You can say 8680 should be the nearest and 8704 the second. Third should be 8720. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish. 8750 next, and then 8800 should be there. Though difficult but not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 86. 38, 36 levels expected to move towards 8620 to 20. First target zone 8600 second. Any drop below 8600, I think we are ready for a greater round of correction all the way towards 8500 levels very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the year session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.